Hi, this is Jose with Scotia, and today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about our MagicFogger. The MagicFogger kit includes one MagicFogger, HOCL Cleanser disinfectant, sanitizer, lanyard, and a charging cable. The MagicFogger is designed to clean surfaces without the use of harsh chemicals. Dual microfine mesh nebulizers dispense HOCL at a fine mist. The recommended spray distance is about 3.5 inches away from your surface. The MagicFogger has a low and a high mode. You can use the MagicFogger's USB port to charge any small devices. The MagicFogger has a 4 LED battery life indicator. To fill, turn so the reservoir is on the bottom, give it a twist, and remove the MagicFogger. Fill the reservoir with the all-natural HOCL cleanser and replace MagicFogger.